This is a brief rundown of the different components of our rattlesnake or venomous snake shift system. This uses 2 microprocessors to control numerous sensors that were incorporated into the system. So 6 of these sensors are force-resistive sensors lined in the shift tube, and pressure upon them will indicate whether or not there's a snake in the system if you know there's danger, and also help you to record the weight of the animal in transit for medical reasons. There's also an RFID reader here, which when you power it on, it allows keepers, and only keepers that have a specific tag, to gain access to the system and open the door to allow the snakes to move back and forth. The shift system is very easily connected to our cage and can be disconnected quickly and used for multiple cages with just one system. We're about to give a quick demonstration of the project actually working. This project was very heavy in fabrication and mechanical engineering and electrical engineering as far as programming goes. My name is Zach Holt. I'm a mechanical engineering student at Louisiana Tech in Engineering 122. And our team's here today to present our 122 prototype, a shift system for handling venomous snakes at the Snake Farm Animal World Zoo. Alright, we're here at Snake Farm Animal World Zoo with Caleb, and he's going to show us how day to day they would move these animals back and forth to care for them, feed them, clean their habitats, weigh them, medical treatment, and how it would traditionally be done with just a snake hook.
Alright, well, over here we have an Indian cobra, or spectacled cobra, that happens to be from India. And see, sometimes they don't want to come out. And that was a smooth, a smooth ordeal. A lot of the time they'll change their attitude when they're in the bucket. A lot of the time they don't want to come out, or they do want to come out because they want to kill you.
Yeah, you might have to back up.
But he doesn't really hood up. He just acts like a maniac and tries to fight. Come on. He's a little better in this cage, but you know, you're just gonna bite yourself though. Serious with this crap. God, you're dumb.
Alright.
Elbow to the face.
So we've now got a snake in the shift system we've created, and with this system you'll have the ability to go ahead and record the weight of the snake and the presence of the snake as it's transferring from your cage that would be connected here into our shift system, so to let you know that there's a snake in transit, keep anyone from making any potentially fatal mistakes, as well as not have to balance a venomous snake on a digital scale to record their weights for antibiotics, dosing medication, etc. Caleb, how do you feel as a housekeeper this would improve safety at a zoo?
I think it definitely can improve your day-to-day interactions. Anytime, obviously, you can be not physically touching an animal in general, that's going to be safer for you and the animal. There are very, very few exceptions. This is clearly not one of them. It's got a good design. There's lots of things you can see through, which is always important. And like Zach talked about with the weight sensors inside here, this being the transition between the cage and the shift box would be a particularly sensitive area because you cannot see into it. And if there's a snake in there, the only way you're going to know is from the reading of that, which is something that I've never heard anyone has considered. Generally I've seen boxes that are similar to this. They connect to the cage in a similar way, but usually if they have a clear top, it's usually a step down, and also the box, and none of it has the doesn't close automatically. I like the sliding door versus just a ball valve to close it off. A sliding door, if you accidentally get the snake caught in it, you can open it and it's easier to get it back out, whereas a ball valve can actually keep the snake a little bit easier. So yeah, I think it could definitely be a worthy addition to anyone's operations, especially if you weren't required to have this permanently attached to the enclosures. If this was able to be moved from which enclosure you were using, that would be huge. Especially